So for today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your RedNote account. So first, just simply open your RedNote application, and once you access it under the Me section, which is located at the bottom parts, which is you will see the home, trending, the plus icon, the messages, and the Me section. After accessing it, you will redirect to this page, and of course, you need to click the gear icon, which is represented as settings. And once you click in, simply navigate to account security under the settings. And once you're in, just simply click the account cancellation for you to able to cancel or delete your RedNote account. And you're all set. That's how you delete RedNote account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.